Important factors to keep in mind when hiring a cleaning company. London. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video in this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. When you go on the lookout for a cleaning company London, you need to know that the choice you make is very important. After all, you want the job to be completed successfully and not neglected or done poorly. In order to ensure good results overall, you need to consider several factors. They will guide your choice on what company to hire for the job. It is by investing some time in research that you can ensure 100% success. Since you want to have your home or another property well cleaned and sanitized, you will do well if you consider each of the following factors for hiring a cleaning agency. Number 1. Covered area. Obviously, you want a company that operates within your area. That is an important factor, because different companies cover different areas. Obviously, you cannot rely on a company that doesn't cover your area. It is always preferable to go for an agency as close to you as possible, because that gives them some flexibility. Besides, the closer the company is to your home, the more punctual their cleaning team will be when they come to clean. Number 2. The cost of service. This is one of the most important factors to consider before you actually hire a cleaning company. The first thing you notice about a cleaning agency is the price. Whether it is too big or small will dictate how you proceed from there. For instance, a company that is too expensive may be way out of your budget. At the same time, a company that is too cheap should signal some warning signs, as those might do a poor job or even no job at all. Number 3. Solutions they use. The way a company does their job is also important. Eco-friendly cleaning solutions are definitely needed because they are safe and get the job done perfectly. There is every reason to hire a company that follows such standards and tries to ever improve them. Well-established cleaning procedures are a sign of an experienced company, so definitely look for that. Number 4. Reputation. A good cleaning company will not go unnoticed and will certainly attract many clients. That is why asking people you know for a cleaning service provider they have used is so important. After all, if plenty of people report a company is good, then that means there is some merit to hiring it. It is not just reputation alone that makes a company a viable choice, but also the factors that stand behind this reputation. Learn to distinguish them and you can make the best choice. Number 5. Service portfolio. There are cleaning companies that specialize in certain services and don't offer others. You have to find out more about a company in order to understand their ability and what they can assist you with. That is how you will have decent help from them. These are all important factors to consider when hiring a cleaning company London to work for you. Do your homework well and pick the company that best suits your requirements. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 020-8884-9149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching, and until next time, create a greener and healthier future.